Hi, I'm Danilo from Switch Automation. So here, let me walk you through the features that I developed using Codex and GPT 5.6. So we have schedules and calendars. We will get to that in a minute. So basically, we have a customer with thousands of buildings in their portfolio that we're going to onboard to our platform. The Switch Automation platform is running on Azure Cloud. So we have a gateway installed in every building, and in that gateway, we discover BACNet schedules. So we know about BACNet, but schedules not much. So we have to refer to the standard and use Codex and GPT 5.6 to speed up the development. So we really have just a week to have something that the customer can use and feedback on. So basically, once the schedules are discovered, you see it here. The customer can review the schedule. If they're not happy with that, then they can adjust the times every day of the week, and also they can add exception. So with exception, we use the concept of calendar. So a calendar is also an object in a BACnet device, and then you can just imagine here, right? So I have an example. The customer can add a date on a calendar, and when that date is added, the platform can figure out the affected devices in every building, and then the customer can just publish that. So every single schedule that references that calendar will now be aware of every single date in that calendar and will override the weekly schedule that's in place. Now, that's very powerful because then, for example, here, the user or the customer can multiple select all the schedule that they want to edit, and then they can just adjust the time in one view, add the exceptions, add edit exceptions, publish that, and if you're doing this manually, you'd be dealing with building by building using a tool in every building. Very tedious, a lot of times wasted. But with this single view, the customer can edit at once and deploy at scale. So we were able to do it in less than a week, deploy to our staging environment, let our internal users test it, let our customers feedback early on, and they're quite happy with what we have in place now. So very powerful. Only with Codex and ChatGPT 5.6 we're able to do it. If not, it could have taken us months, a month or two, to be realistic. So yeah, it was a great experience. Thank you.